So y'all know after last week's video, me filming in the Coach outlet, there is no way that I was gonna pass up on the Black Friday sale at the outlet. So I did grab something from there. You can probably guess what it is, but it just came a couple of hours ago. It is in this box right here. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But this one isn't going to be long at all because it's just a quick unboxing. I only have one piece to show you guys. But I was in the outlet last week and I filmed that, showed it to you guys. And there were a couple of pieces that I was really impressed with once I was able to touch and feel them in person. And I'm sure that if you watch that video, you can remember some of the ones that I was really just blown away with. So I ordered one and it just got here a couple of hours ago. I pulled the tape off so that it wouldn't be as hard to get into. Well, I pulled most of it off. There's still a piece on here. But I hope whoever's watching this, if you celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope that you had a good holiday this year. There is a lot to be thankful for. And even if you don't celebrate Christmas or Thanksgiving, this time of year is still a good year to spend time with friends and family. And so I hope that everybody was able to do that over this weekend. I know I was, which is kind of why this video is late going out. But I am in this bag. So it came factory wrapped, of course, because it came directly from the Coach outlet. So this is it. I'm sure y'all know what it is now, but let me get the paper off. I've been so excited about this piece. And now that it's finally here, guys. So here we go. I got the emery top handle in maroon. I finally figured it out. I think I saw somewhere on the website that they're calling this color maroon. As I mentioned in the video when I was filming at the outlet, none of the tags said the color. It just said like gold. And when I went online, I couldn't find it anywhere. But I did finally find it. So this is maroon in case anybody was still wondering what they call this. But let me get all of this wrapping off. So now that I got everything off, we're going to start with the outside because there's some things that I did not mention in the outlet video that I wanted to just highlight today. So the first thing that I noticed when I got all of the wrapping off is the contrast stitching. So it's not burgundy or maroon like the bag. It's like a pinkish color. But this bag has gold hardware. There is a additional charm like a clochette or key hook, along with the hang tag, top handle. So the long shoulder or crossbody strap attaches on the sides with these two hooks right here. There's a zipper pocket in the back. And if we open it up, I didn't take my case off my phone, but I know for a fact that my phone will fit in this back pocket. It's a generous size back pocket. It does have 4 feet on the bottom, and then you can see it's not one piece of leather, so it's looks like 2 pieces. Very beautiful bag. See what it looks like on the sides. They had this wrapped so tight. There was even foam and plastic on these little pieces inside and outside of the bag. So we get on the inside. This has one of those closures that you have to push to open. But it's like a tan microfiber material on the inside. And it's just a nice size main compartment with, there is a slip pocket here on the front wall. And then there's a zipper compartment on the back wall right above the story patch. So the interior of the zipper compartment is more like a textile, like a cotton or linen type of material, not the microfiber like the rest of the interior. This bag has like a brownish or off black glazing around the edges. It's very well done, as well as I'm looking at the glazing on the handles. It's also very well done. There's branding here on the rings that attach to the shoulder strap. Of course, there's always branding on their zippers. There's still plastic on this pull. Okay, there we go. So yeah, there's branding on the zippers. There's branding on the inside of the clasp. Just making sure there's not branding on the feet, and there isn't. So the detachable adjustable shoulder strap is 2 pieces, and it has 8 adjustments on it. Gold hardware, just like the rest of the bag. I say I would probably never wear this shoulder strap, but never say never. This bag the leather is super soft and supple. It's structured, but not too structured. It does have plenty of give. So I don't really see this being too bulky or awkward worn as a crossbody, especially in a pinch. So this one I could possibly see myself wearing as a crossbody. But y'all need to know that this leather not only feels good, but it smells absolutely divine. Like, as soon as I was able to get the wrapping off, I could smell this leather. It smells really good. I really like this bag, and I think I want something else in this leather. So we'll see. But this is it, guys. This is the Emery top handle in the color maroon. So let me know what you think about this bag. Comment down below. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.